Okay, so to post a blog to your website, all you have to do is first obviously log in. And then what we're going to do is click on blog. And we're going to go ahead and add post. So inside of here, you can add several different blog post types. You have image, which is just one image; gallery, which allows you to post multiple images; video, which actually allows you to post a video along with your blog; a quote, which actually puts a quote on the top of it; and then none. Okay. And then the other thing to note is the settings. So these are all the settings inside of the blog, which gives you options. So the ones you're definitely going to want to check is show sidebar and show header. Okay, you're going to want both of those in there. The other thing you're going to want, and the other ones I guess really are optional. So I always disable comments because a lot of times you just get a bunch of spam, and I always add share buttons. But these are all optional. These are totally up to you. The other thing you have to do is add a category. So for this blog post, let's see what the title is. I'm just going to, so for categories, for this one in particular, I would put fractional COO. Okay. And now I'm just going to close down settings. Okay. So I don't have an image for this blog post, so I'm just going to click none, okay, which is going to remove the image. But if you did have an image, obviously you could use the image gallery. And then I'm just going to highlight from your Word document and post it here. And then post the body. Okay, and so one thing to note when you're copying pasting from Word, sometimes the formatting can get a little messed up. So you can see that there's not a space, two spaces here, which typically you see in with a paragraph. So I'm just going to go through here and just add the extra space where they need to happen. And this is really common when you're copying pasting from Word. So. And to do this just to, clean up the formatting and make it easier to read. So, okay, so there's that. The other thing to note is, so with your blog, there's a list view and a detailed view. So the detailed view is going to show the full blog post. The list view is going to list the blogs in order that they were published, but it's only just going to have like a kind of a snippet or a summary of the blog post. So what I typically do is just copy the first paragraph and paste it into the summary. Now you can add anything you want inside of here. It doesn't have to be this way, so that's totally up to you, but that's typically what I do. And then once we're happy with the way it looks, go ahead and click update. Okay, and now we can go back to posts. And now we can go preview. And now you can see what it looks like. So this is what the post would look like. And that's all it takes to publish a blog post on your website.